In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Gmail account without phone number. We will walk through the process on a mobile device using the Google app, and I will point out what to expect on each screen. So everything goes smoothly, start by unlocking your phone and opening the Google app. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture or the initial of your current account. From the menu that appears, choose Add another account. If your device asks you to verify it's you, go ahead and unlock your phone with your screen lock so you can continue. Next, tap Create Account, then select For My Personal Use. On the name screen, enter your first and last name as you'd like them to appear across Google services. Then tap Next. You will be asked for your date of birth and gender. Provide those details accurately. They help Google tailor your experience and confirm you are old enough to create an account. Tap Next to continue. Now it's time to choose a username. This will become your new Gmail address. Try something unique that you will remember. If the name you want is taken, Google will suggest alternatives. Pick one that works for you and tap Next. Create a strong password for your account. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And avoid using anything easy to guess. Keep your password private and store it in a safe place. After entering it, tap Next. You will see Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to review them so you understand how your data is handled. When you are ready, agree to the terms to proceed. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your region and your device, Google may not ask for a phone number if you see an option to skip adding a number. Continue without it. If the skip option does not appear, Google may require a number for security. But when the option is available, you can proceed without adding one. After you confirm everything, wait a few seconds while Google sets up your account. You will see a confirmation screen when it's ready. That's it. Your new Gmail account is created. And if you weren't asked for a phone number, you are all set without one. You can access it right away through the Google Apps account menu and start using Gmail on your device. Thanks for watching.